guys, welcome back to the channel. I have done it again. I have changed my IKEA doors for the third time. Yes, this is what it looks like before, but now look at it. It is beautiful. So I'm embracing this change. If you haven't already known, I have moved, and in the process of moving, my doors were the mirrors cracked on the doors. So I guess it worked out because the style that I chose the last time fit my apartment, but now I'm in a new space and this version is what I'm going for. So it worked out. You know, change is good sometimes. We have to learn to embrace change a little bit more. So guys, if you're interested in changing your TV console, you're just tired of it, want to change, I'll show you exactly what I did. So the first thing you want to do is purchase your overlays and doors. Head over to myoverlays.com on their website. This is not sponsored. I've been on here 3 times and purchased, so I must really like this company. And you just scroll down and you will find the design that I use was Chloe, I believe. Yeah, this one right here. They will ask you if you want a 1/8 of an inch thickness or a 1/4 of an inch, and mine is 1/8 of an inch. This particular overlay is $35.95, and it depends on how many doors. I only have 2, so I purchased 2 of them. And then I went to IKEA and purchased 2 doors. They're only $15 each. I got the white. It says white, but it looks off-white in my opinion compared to the overlays, which is really white. So just go over there, just make sure you get the hinges that go with the doors. It does not come with the doors. You'll have to purchase that separately, and I think it's like $5, but don't quote me on that. So once you purchased it, this is what the overlays look. I know on the website it looks like it's gold, but it comes in white. If you're curious like I would be of what 1/8 of an inch looks like, this is it. And here's my IKEA doors too. Now it's time to glue the overlay to the door, and it's recommended to use liquid nails for this project. And you can find this at your local hardware store. All you're gonna do is just place little dots all around your overlay. It doesn't matter the side because they're the same. Now you wanna place the overlay on top of your door. Just make sure you're careful. You don't wanna deviate too far away from where you want to position it because you'll start seeing the glue, but you can wipe it up if you happen to have that issue. I believe it takes about 24 hours before it cures, so you just place a couple of heavy books or objects on top of it until it dries. While the glue dried, I painted the door knockers. So these are objects that I found at the hardware store. They were big enough because I was like, I need something to go in the middle of the doors that will look very decorative and pretty, and I decided to go with this. So it worked out perfectly. I went outside to a well-ventilated area, and I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum Bright Coat metallic finish and lightly and slowly spray paint the knockers. So I separated the hardware. It comes with the knocker part, which I ended up not using because I think it weighed it down and I needed to be a little bit lighter. So if you choose to do this project, you can always include the handle part as well. Now that the spray has dried, you want to glue the door knocker to the door using the liquid nails. So I'm just going to put it on the edge and then just place it in the center of the door ever so gently. I waited about 24 hours before I moved the door, and then once I did that, I just screwed it into the IKEA Besta Unit, and that's it, guys. So what do you think? I love it. Easy, classy, and what word would you give it? I'm thinking timeless, but I would love to hear from you. Drop it in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you check out all of my videos and hit that subscribe button. If you like what I did, hit the like button too and share it with everyone. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, please be sure to stop by and say hello. I'm at Designs by Tresha on Instagram and at I'm Tresha JA on Facebook.